Well, let us see what is the next best thing that Blender has to offer us. With that being said and done, let us see what I did prerequisitely before this video. Before starting recording this video, I have created a blue monkey, I have created a red monkey, and I have created a ball with, in the material, the metallicness is full. This metallicness is there, but we can't see the reflection. So for reflection, what we need to do is go to the render properties, and here you will get screen space reflections, and here if you click on this, you get the reflection. And the next first parameter is refraction. If you tick on that, nothing will happen, because one more thing, what this screen space reflection is meaning, the base meaning of what is screen space reflection. If the object is in screen, there will be reflection, and if the object is not in the screen, let me zoom in here, there won't be any reflection from that object. So that's what screen space reflection means. Then we have refraction. For refraction to work, what we need to do is go to the material panel and select this this metallic sphere and reduce its metallicness and increase its transmission. And now what you can do is see through the sphere. So for that, what you need to do is you need to click on screen space refraction, and the moment you click on screen space refraction, this object is going to behave like a glass orb. But remember, this is in EV, it won't be perfectly accurate. I will be coming up with videos on cycle as well. The next option here is refraction depth. You can increase or decrease the amount of refraction that glass object is going to allow. So from here you can change that thing. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the Patreon page button, because that's how you can support me financially. If you want, you can comment on this video. And with that being said and done, try to see it. Before seeing it, you can also support me through Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Phone number will be given in the description as well. With that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.
Veda.